Hi, welcome back. I am excited to get started on this 3D hummingbird project with a mold I received from the OneDaySaving.com website. Instead of coloring the resin for this project, I am painting the dry pigment powders directly onto the mold. This technique is super fun and creates beautiful effects when the resin has cured. The pigment powders I am using are Pearl X 684 Flamingo Pink, 658 Aztec Gold, 685 Spring Green, and 664 Super Bronze. I will list these and all other products I am using in the description box below. Before I started this project, I did do a little bit of planning with the colors. I know I wanted the stems and leaves of this project to be green. I wanted the flower to be pink or purple. And for the hummingbird, I wanted him to be two tones of a brown and gold color. To apply the pigment powder, I am using a dry paintbrush and dipping it into the powder and then spreading the powder on the mold with the paintbrush. I am trying my best to stay within the lines and not make a mess with the powder. This mold is pretty easy to color, and if some of the colors blend into other areas, I think it'll give a more unique look to this piece. Once I have filled all areas with color, I will place the mold upside down on a paper towel and gently tap any excess powder from the mold. Now it is time to mix the resin. I am using a 1:1 epoxy resin and mixing according to the directions on the bottles. I am making sure I scrape the sides and the bottom of my cup and also scrape my stirring stick as I go. This helps to ensure that the resin is mixed thoroughly. I am not too concerned with air bubbles in this project because I will be adding some black acrylic paint to the resin. The black paint will give a nice opaque background color to my project. Now that my black resin is ready to go, I will add a small amount into a smaller cup. This will help me not make a mess as I fill the mold cavities. I will fill the large areas first and let the resin flow into the smaller areas, and then fill those as needed. When I am finished, I will spray with isopropyl alcohol to help pop any air bubbles, and then I will cover and let this piece cure for 24 hours. Demolding is always my favorite part of the project, especially when the molds have larger areas and release the resin without effort. Look how stunning this piece looks. These colors worked perfect for this project, and I can't wait to give this piece as a gift to my friend. Let me know in the comment box what colors you would use in this project. Thank you for creating this 3D hummingbird resin art piece with me, and I'll see you in the next video.